Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. So I received this model for my birthday and without further ado, let's just get into it. So let's open it up. And there is the model. This is a Lufthansa A350-900, the new livery. The box is slightly different to the usual Gemini Jets model boxes. I think the box matches the livery colours, as it has a bit of blue in the bottom and also a bit of grey. Even though there isn't any grey on the aircraft, I think it still matches with the livery. So without further ado, let's reveal the model. So at the top here we have all the information of the aircraft. There is the really nicely packaged model. So let's get it out and look at it in more detail. Right, so yeah, I really do like this livery. I think the one thing I do like about this aircraft is that it has the mask around the cockpit windows. I think that's a really nice touch. All the antennas and the Wi-Fi box are in the correct position, which is really good. The landing gear does move. Right, so at the front of the aircraft we have the mask, obviously, and the L1 door and the L2 door. We also have those little yellow, like, dot things, which says, like, I think welcome on them. I'm not too sure about that, correct me if I'm wrong. Then we have the Lufthansa title on the side. We have the engine 1 down here, looking very nice. Moving on to the center of the aircraft, we have the wings. Yeah, the really long wings. On the end, we have the, if it wants to focus, please focus. No focus. Focus or no focus? No, okay. Yeah, doesn't want to focus, guys. But it's hard to see, but there is the Lufthansa sign. It's the same on the other side as well. Then we have the second engine on the other side. Moving down, we have the two antennas and the Wi-Fi box. We also have the L3 door and the L4 door. The tail, it's like a really dark blue with obviously the Lufthansa livery in a silver now rather than a yellow. We also have the two stabilizers at the rear as well as the APU vent. And moving on to the underneath, we have the front landing gear, the cargo door, the rear landing gear, the bottom of the two engines, the stand port, but obviously I don't have a stand because I just don't see the need in one. And then also right at the back, if it wants to focus, we have the Gemini Jets, yeah, the Gemini Jets logo. And so what do I think about this model? I think that the livery is really nice. The mould to the model is to correct proportion. It looks really neat. I think the nose looks really good. It almost looks like the real thing. The landing gear isn't too long, it isn't too short. The engines are absolutely perfect. And yeah, overall, I think that it is a really good model. So I think I'm going to rate this an 8 because the landing gear doesn't, it wobbles quite a lot. It's not because it's not really like attached correctly. It's just how they make their landing gear, and I think all their models pretty much have the same thing. Like if you have rolling landing gear, it's always going to be wonky somehow. Like mine doesn't look too wonky, but it does. Yeah, it's not straight if you look directly at the model. But yeah, apart from that, I think it's a really good model. I mean, the landing gear, it doesn't really matter because it's not really obvious, but yeah, oh well, it's a really nice model to have. I do recommend it, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.